Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello, we need to compare the total costs of each alternative at a production volume of 200,000 units to determine the best option. The total cost for each alternative can be calculated as GPE is $100,000 plus 15 per unit dollar. So we can write here $100,000 plus $15 per unit and into 200,000 units. So which is equal to we get $400,000. And for FMS, $200,000 plus $14 per unit into 200,000 units, which is equal to we get $580,000. And DM $500,000 plus $13 per unit into 200,000 units, which is equal to we get $2,700,000. So in this case, the GP process has the lowest total cost, then would be the best option. So therefore, statement E is false. If the E is if the production level is 200,000 units, then the best alternative is FMS. So statement E is not necessarily true. Thank you.